In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an ad-free experience on TradingView. We're going to explore both official and unofficial methods. So let's dive in. First up, the most straightforward and officially supported way to dodge those pesky ads is by subscribing to one of TradingView's paid plans, like Platinum. This option not only gives you an ad-free experience, but also grants access to a slew of advanced features and tools that can enhance your trading sessions. While it does require you to shell out some money, the investment often pays off in terms of improved functionality and a cleaner interface. Now, if you're looking to explore alternative routes, bear in mind that these methods come with a word of caution. They involve a bit of technical tinkering, and importantly, they're unofficial. This means you use them at your own risk. So if you're up for it, you can begin by using a browser extension such as TamperMonkey for Chrome or GreaseMonkey if you're a Firefox user. These extensions allow you to run user-created scripts that can block ads. Once you have your extension installed, the next step is to create a new script within TamperMonkey or GreaseMonkey. For this, you'll need to source some code from the community. Websites like GitHub often host various scripts created by other users who are tackling the same ad blocking challenge. Simply find a script that matches your needs and paste it into your new script within the extension. Once your script is in place, make sure it's enabled. You'll want to double check that it's active whenever you're on TradingView's website to ensure the ads are blocked effectively. It's important to remember that TradingView may detect these methods and they could stop working, particularly if the platform updates itself. TradingView support actually suggests disabling ad blockers if they're detected. But what if your ad blocking efforts get detected or you start seeing ads where you didn't before? You might need to adjust your settings a bit. First, try whitelisting TradingView through your ad blocker settings. This involves allowing ads to be displayed on TradingView.com specifically. Next, take a close look at any other privacy tools you might be using. They can interfere with how ads are displayed. Consider disabling them one by one to pinpoint the issue. Additionally, don't forget about your VPN or DNS settings. Some of these services are designed to block ads at a network level, so you might need to tweak or disable ad filtering to enable TradingView ads. Lastly, keep in mind that some antivirus programs or firewalls come with ad blocking features too. So if you're still having trouble, it's a good idea to review those settings and make adjustments as needed. There you have it, a comprehensive look at how to enjoy TradingView without all those interruptions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.